I've got the mill going and some simple G-code parts. I've been cutting a little bit in metal here. I'm doing a 1.5 inch square and doing a 1.5 inch circle right inside of it. So I'm going to take 5/1000ths off on this pass. Just getting a feel for the feeds and the speed. So I've got my CNC 12 software up and going. Very simple G-code program that I wrote to do this. Now let's execute it and watch it. Cut 5/1000ths of an inch on the aluminum. Now it's going to go cut the circle. It's actually arcs, is the way it does, 4 separate arcs. Pretty cool, you can't even tell those are 4 separate arcs. Just goes right through it. And that was 5/1000ths. Pretty nice finish.